Let's get the day going. Look at the kids, don't they look so cute today? Look at Jay, man, looking like he about to go to school or something. About to give a presentation. Look at Kayla, you looking real tropical today. Got the sun-kissed tan. Get it, girl. So we got 2 missions in life today, or maybe 3. 3 missions in life today. Number 1, we have to drink this half gallon of water. Number 2, we're gonna try to wash the Ferrari today. And then number 3, we're gonna go to the lake today. It's Friday. We don't really do much trading on Friday. If you guys saw my video where I talked about how I structure my trading week, on Friday I usually close out trades or really just relax, do something fun for the most part. But what I'm about to do next isn't fun. Someone left dog poop in our yard. I don't even have a dog. Why do dog walkers do this? I should pull the cameras and see who did it and post it on Nextdoor. They just left us a whole pile. Now I have to be responsible for picking this up. It's all flies swirling around it. Ah! This is gross. This is gross. Yeah! It cleans the water, then the dirty water falls below the trapper. I don't even know if this works, but we're about to find out. All right, we got all the stuff. I'll be honest, I don't really know what's what, so let's find out. This is detail brush. I don't know if we're gonna get so detailed today, but I just bought all these rags. I probably didn't need it. Delivers brilliant shine. Ah, but this is what we need. So this is the Honeydew Snow Foam Wash. Worst thing that could happen is way too much foam. 1, 2. Okay, we'll do a third one. And ladies and gentlemen, we got a foam cannon when I come back. Headed to the lake now, but before we get there, we gotta stop and get some Chick-fil-A. It's code for Chick-fil-A. Hopefully the line ain't too crazily long.
We're not okay. I look into your eyes and see you fade away.
Beat the line. All those suckers don't know about the mobile app. Yeah.
It's like we're on 2 sides of the Milky Way. Somehow we got used to the problems. Baby, we got used to falling. I'm tired of feeling blue when I lose myself to love. Yeah, I just wanna lose my breath. Yeah, I just wanna lose my breath. Yeah, I just wanna lose my breath. Yeah, I just wanna lose my breath.
now we out here swimming at Strawberry Fields out on Lake St. Clair. So we just out here having some fun on a Friday. I love it. I love it. Get out here, have some fun, enjoy life. That is what this thing is all about. So that's what we doing. Until next time. So there it is, ladies and gentlemen. A nice day at the lake. A little fun in the sun.